Hi, I'm photographer Scott Hartwick. In this video, we're going to do something a little different than the previous ones. We're going to shoot a hard disk drive with the top open using a scrim. Okay, so here's the setup. I've got the hard drive with the cover off so you can see the actual spinning drive. That's the part we're going to go after. Sitting on a piece of matte acrylic. That's important too. We don't want any glare. We don't want to really show that off at all. Above that, we've got a simple DIY scrim with a wooden frame and Savage Translum. This is heavyweight, just taped to it on a couple of C-stands. And we've got one studio strobe behind that. I've got a 7-inch reflector with a 30-degree grid. What's important to this shot is knowing the angle of my camera as it comes down to there, because I want that same angle to my light. Otherwise, this shiny disc will be black. So that's the trick. Now, to make this look like it's shiny, we need to show a gradation very similar to shooting a bottle or anything else that's smooth and shiny. So I've got this dialed in. Let me take one shot and show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see that shot. You can see the gradation from the top of the disc, and it gets brighter as it comes down. That's important to note. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bump this light very slightly back, maybe about an inch, inch and a half, something like that, not very much. I'm going to take another shot. Okay, so you can see in this picture that the disc itself is completely white, and I only moved it an inch and a half. That's why these angles that we've set everything up to are so critical. Now if I move that back again, I might get a similar shot, but I won't get the same shot, but I should get the gradation back that we were looking for. There you go. We've got the gradation, but it's a little bit less, but it still looks nice. You can still see that that disc is shiny. Now, you can see a little bit of gray around it on the matte acrylic, and that's nice, help for separation. But to complete this shot, we would probably need to put some bounce cards in here to bounce some of this light back into the label here and then get a little light on the side. But for this demonstration, we're just trying to show how you can make something that's super shiny look shiny in a two-dimensional space. So that's this video. Thanks for watching.